Today we're going to make some brown sugar, and we're going to make it 3 different ways. We're going to make light brown sugar, we're going to make dark brown sugar, and what I like to call dark brown sugar. One that has more moisture, and that's coming from the molasses. And as you can see, I'm really at the end. And this is darker brown sugar, and it's more molasses driven. And I use grandma's molasses. It is unsulfured, and you really want to make sure it's unsulfured, and it's non-GMO verified. Plus, when you read the ingredients, it's only molasses. It shouldn't have anything else in it except molasses. So we know this is not bioengineered. That's another video. And then I use pure cane sugar. I don't use white sugar. White sugar is sugar that has been bleached. This has a hue to it, and therefore it has not been bleached. And if you've ever had cane sugar, I meant sugar cane. If you've ever had sugar cane before, then that juice is not white. And so this is what this is made from. It's made from cane. So that's why it's called pure cane sugar, and this is organic. So I will be quadrupling the recipe. So instead of 1 cup of pure cane sugar, I'm going to be using 4 cups. That way I will be able to make what I want. I might use more than 4, just never know. But I will tell you as I'm doing it. So let's get started.